Hey guys, welcome to... You guys are gonna interrupt me the whole time. Oh, we lost one. Hey, Prim, you wanna say hello to everybody? No, you don't wanna say hello? That's okay. Wow, now that the camera's out, she shows me love. Dali is attacking the camera. Dali, stop, stop. So hey guys. Welcome to my channel. You wanna sit there? So welcome to my YouTube channel for the birds. You probably followed me off Instagram, Galileo and Dali's Instagram. So I'm not sure what we're gonna be calling this channel yet, but whoa! What is happening? Something's going down. I don't know what it is. But welcome. Dali is literally resting his head on the camera. You wanna come back, baby? You're gonna stay, okay, you're gonna stay there. The setup is not perfect. This was meant to sit here so the birds could sit, but you're being good because the camera's on. You wanna say hello, Gala? It's not gonna focus. Oh, so pretty girl. Is that it? No, mistake, mama. Okay, so I'm getting so off topic. Welcome to our channel. So I'm gonna start with introducing all the birds and, you know, just what they're like. But yeah, if you're from my Instagram, you would know they're crazy. But we'll start with this one. So this is Galileo. Is it gonna focus on you, Gala? So this is Galileo. He is, or she, we don't know, but from the singing, Galileo is probably a boy, but I'm so used to calling her she. But yeah, this is Galileo, or Gala. You are 9 months old, and her wings are clipped quite badly, but we are waiting for them to grow back so that she can fly around. We had to transport her and it was really scary with the flight. Like, I didn't want her breaking out of the cage when I wasn't there. So we did have to cut her wings, and I really didn't want to, but I would rather her have her wings cut than her fly away and get killed by a bird or by a dog or just get lost, because, you know, you can't survive in the wild. I really wish you could, but you can't. So when they grow back, I'm never clipping them again, but when they grow back, you're gonna have your beautiful flighted bird like the other birdie. She can fly, but just not get the distance. And the budgies are so loud. This chair is really not serving its purpose. You guys love sitting there. You're not gonna sit, no one's gonna sit there. They're all like at the front. Galileo and Dali are at the front. Come back? Come back, Gala? No. But yeah, that's Galileo, and she's my cockatiel, or he's my cockatiel. I can't figure out the gender. The budgies really want me to introduce them, but I'm gonna introduce Dali first. So Dali is my fish's lovebird. I've had him for 8 months. He is 10 months old, and he is the most naughty bird I have ever had. I love him to death. He's so funny. Well, we actually think it's a she, and I'm so used to calling it a boy as well. I felt like the pelvic bone is quite far apart, so I think Dali is a girl. But Dali is a really funny bird, and probably is why my Instagram was so popular. He just does the weirdest things. He loves taking baths constantly, and just the funniest thing to watch. He used to scritch Galileo a lot, and they were such an odd couple. I think that's how, you know, the Instagram took off. An odd couple of birds. Makes sense, right? Odd bunch of birds, because we've got all these guys back here. But yeah, I want to bring him onto camera, but I'll see if I can grab him. A lot of you guys message me and ask... you'll see her in a minute. But a lot of people message me and ask about Dali, about how I tamed him. So his full name is Salvador Dali. I should have said that first. He's named after an artist, and Galileo is named after Galileo Galilei. But Dali, a lot of people message me and ask, how did you tame him? Like, fish's lovebirds are really tricky to tame. I did not get him hand-raised, which, if you do want to get a lovebird and you want to handle them, probably getting them hand-raised and around people when they're really young is the only way you're gonna get a lovebird with you all the time. Robyn really wants to be in the video. Peach faces are a lot easier to handle than fishes and masked lovebirds. I'm actually getting a peach face in a few days. Probably when this goes out, I will have my peach face. I'll insert something if I do, and if I don't know what's happening, but I am meant to be getting a peach face for Dali as a companion, but they will be caged separately because fish and lovebirds are so mean. Dali is a mean bird and people think he's so friendly, and they always ask me, how did you get your birds to be friends? They are not friends in their cages. They cannot be. They need their own space, and everyone's getting cage upgrades. So like Dali's cage is too small right now, Galileo's cage is too small. Budgies could do with an upgrade. But because I'm moving, because of university, I have to move back to my hometown with the birds. So they're all in smaller cages at the moment, but they're out all day. So don't worry about that. I'll show you the 2 cages I'm gonna get. I'm not a bird expert, like don't take me as someone who is the best bird owner. I have so much to learn, I really do. And right now they're not the best setup, and I don't want to show the cages because they're not perfect yet. Anyway, I got off topic. Dali, he does not step up. He will come to my hand if I hold him like that. He will come into my hand. Will you demonstrate it for me, baby? No, he will not. There he is. Hi. But he does let me pat him when I'm holding him, but he does not like fingers in his face, and I mean that's fair enough. But he does sit on my shoulder or on my lap all the time. I don't know why he likes that. I'll see if I can get him on my shoulder so you guys can see him. So here he is. So this is Dali. He's only recently learned to fly, so he's very jumpy. You go up here? Good boy. But anyway, here's Dali. Hey baby. He's so naughty, but he's very cute. He's very cute. So there's going to be a lot of content on him because he loves the camera. He will sit in front of the camera and pose for me. Wait, you're a bit shy right now. Being a bit shy. Okay, so I'm going to now talk about the other budgies. We have Robyn. I only got her about a month or 2 ago. Robyn was rehomed from a lady who actually burnt her hand really bad, so she couldn't handle Robyn anymore. It was too sensitive. Robyn can bite really hard, but I'll show you a photo. She sits on my finger now, and she loves to fly around the room. She's also hormonal like Gala. She wants a mate, and the 2 male budgies I have do not have it in them, if you know what I mean. They're not interested in that. They've never been interested in that. They're just doing their own thing, and Robyn just chases them. So we have to look at a new cage in a different situation. So now I'm going to talk about Prim. So I've had Prim for about 2 years. She's 3 years old. I got her from a pet shop. We'll say it was, I can't probably say the name, but Pet Khan. Pet Khan is where I got it from. I don't really like Pet Khan, and and I actually got Oreo years and years before from Pet Khan, and I think Robyn was from there as well, but I didn't get her from them. She loves to dance, actually a boy, but we thought it was a girl when we got her. I felt the pelvic bone, and she's never is interested in females. Just this head clucking dance. I'll insert a video of it if I have one. But she learned this from my my late bird, Winston. We lost Winston actually not that long ago from a bacterial infection in his crop. It's not 100% sure why he got it and why he didn't respond to the medication, but he was a gorgeous boy, and I just, at least now I can be more careful with the food I give the birds. Like, it broke my heart, and you know, everyone was saying, you know, it's not your fault, but you know, when you own these little creatures, they're so sensitive, especially budgies. People ask me, should I get a budgie, like, as the first pet? And budgies are hard. They're not like low maintenance pets. They need a lot of attention, a lot of cleaning, because their immune systems are not that strong and their bodies are not that strong. So it's really scary. But yeah, so she learnt that dance from Winston. Like, they were best friends, Winston and Prim. Like, they're both boys, and they just loved each other. Like, they would preen each other, they would cuddle at night when it was a bit cold. They were gorgeous. Hi, you're talking now. You're talking now. And then we have Oreo. I got Oreo 6 years ago now. He's turning 6 soon. He has a balance issue. I don't know if he was born with it or if he got it somehow, but he's always been like that since I got him. So he can't fly. His wings go forward, you know, they don't go out, they go forward. It's really weird. He falls on his back a lot and it makes me very scared. He loses his balance really easy, so he usually climbs around the cage. Poor baby, I wish he could fly, but there's not much you can do. Oh, hi Robyn. There's not much you can do, like, you know, that's like no idea unless you, I've never done x-rays on him because it's just too traumatic for, so as long as he's happy and healthy, it's fine. But he's a very shy little boy, but he can get very vocal and does a little dance on the side of the cage. He does a little kissing dance, practicing those kisses with his friends. Dali is chewing my camera again. I didn't introduce myself either. Hi, I'm Maddie. I hope you guys enjoyed this first video with my birds. I have not made a YouTube video in so long. Oh, I wish I could get more of the birds. They're all up there. And this is like filmed really awkwardly. I just don't have my tripod with me right now, so it's so weird. So there's all the birdies apart from Galileo, who is sitting over here enjoying downtime from the craziness. But I hope you liked this video, and like I said, my setup is not perfect, so don't follow everything I do. Like, the birds definitely need bigger cages, and that is going to happen very soon. But I hope you did like to see them. They're all chilling up there. Everyone was so crazy earlier on, like Dali and Robyn feed each other. It's so weird. Everyone's ready for their lunchtime naps, so am I. So yeah, subscribe if you like this video, leave suggestions for other videos. I know I'll be doing like chop videos and like cage accessories I like, and just some things the birds get up to in the day, maybe even little stories, what they do, and I'll try to catch them. Dali! He just fell in the cage, but it's Dali, so he's fine. And I'll also be doing a video when I get my new birds, very exciting, and I'll show you how I gain the birds' trust, which a lot of you asked me how to tame them, and I will cover that with Robyn and the new bird and Prim and even Oreo, even though he is very hard to handle just with his balance problems. But if he wants to do it, we can try. Yeah, do not cage lovebirds with other kinds of birds, even other lovebirds, because they kill each other, like, or hurt each other. It's really scary. But I don't want to end this video on a bad note. They're doing okay right now. Yeah, they're doing fine right now. Like, accessory reviews and stuff like that. I've ordered some things from this place called Vet Shed. So I'm going to do reviews on them, and they're like foraging toys, and see if the birds actually use them. Or I just wasted all my money. But yeah, I'll be showing you things the birds get up to on this channel, and just some tutorials. Like I said, I'm not perfect, so don't just follow my stuff, but also look online, do your own research, other YouTubers. Just your advice from your vet is probably where you want to go first, but I'll show you what my birds' diets are, even though once again they're not perfect. Check with your vet and other research online. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my birds. Check out our Instagram if you're not from my Instagram, but I assume you are. Thank you for 10,000 followers on my Instagram. I never thought that would ever happen. But yeah, I'll do a video soon on my new bird and how I tame them, how I get their trust, and what I feed them in a day. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you whenever. Guys, want to say goodbye? You ready to go to bed? Lunchtime? Oh, Dali says goodbye. Lunchtime nap? Oh, I don't know if you like the sound of that. Lovebirds have a lot of energy, okay? It's scary. Bye!